So today I'll be showing you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So first thing you want to do is go to Bluetooth settings. So go to settings, then go to connections, and then Bluetooth. So make sure Bluetooth is on and scanning for Bluetooth devices to connect to. The next thing you want to do is put the Bluetooth headphones in pairing mode. Now, different Bluetooth the headphones have different ways of putting them in pairing mode. So you need to find out how your specific headphones are put in Bluetooth pairing mode. For these specific ones, all I had to do is long press the power button, and then they're going to get in pairing mode. If your Samsung phone has stopped scanning, then make sure you tap on scan again, and then you can see your headphones are going to get detected. Select them, and then tap on pair to have them paired and connected. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.